Alright, to start off, you're going to want to rotate your image sideways and select your map from your camera roll. Stretch to fit, full screen, and click Done. To save images from Google, tap and hold, and tap Add to Photos. I'm moving this image to the top right so I know where it's going to be located, and I'm sliding the map image to the top. This next part's a little tricky. We're going to use the selection tool on the top toolbar. If you scroll and tap that, then tap Magic Wand next. Tap the map in the middle, and then tap the layer of the map and hit Cut. This allows your image from behind to be readable inside the map. I'm tapping the new layer, finding my next image, importing that, and moving that to the space where I want it to be. Now you can see that it disappears every time it goes outside of the map until I go too far, and then I might need to erase a little bit. So here I'm placing it next to my first image and matching up the height. I'm repeating this process for the third image. You're going to keep going through this, adding new images as a new layer, rotating it where you want it to be within the map, and then clicking Done when it looks right. There might be areas that are missing, so make sure that you take the time to zoom in and fill those areas in so your map doesn't have any blank areas. Now, in order to smooth out the layers, we want to use the Smudge Pen, and you might have to adjust the sizes and flow of things, and make sure you have the right layer selected. This allows you to get a nice blend between the two layers and have it appear like they're really blended together. In this case, I need to select the next layer, move the image a little bit, and continue on with the smudging. If you go up and down, it'll blend the two colors together. If you go side to side, you'll get a nice even blend. So practice some of these. You can always back up if you make a mistake. If you have some image that goes outside of the map, just use the eraser tool, bring down the size a little bit, and make sure you have the correct layer selected and just erase it. This will give you a nice clean image. And then you can go in, use the smudge tool again, and blend those two layers together. Make sure you fill the background with a color. You might want to use the selection tool and choose a color that's within the image already and fill the background, and this is what you get. Final result.